So guys, we are inside our sample project. Here we have a base layer and two overlays. Now suppose we want to apply fade in effect to this video after 1 second. Select the video clip, look for opacity. 100% opacity means visible and 0 means invisible. Now tap on this button to place a keyframe. Then the duration of the fade in effect, suppose around 1.5 seconds. Increase the opacity to 100%. This will automatically place a keyframe. Let's see what we have. See, we already have our fade in effect. Let's apply fade out effect on the second one. Opacity 100%. Place a keyframe. The duration of the effect and reduce the opacity to 0. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.